Chapter 13 Maloji. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the famous Maratha leader, is known for his love and fondness for brave people. He himself was a great hero of his time and he loved people who were brave and courageous. Many stories are told about his bravery and kindness. Here is one such story. It was late hours of night. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was fast asleep in the bedroom of his palace. Suddenly he woke up hearing a commotion outside. He called out the guards to know what was happening. Soon his commander Tanaji Malsure entered into the room. He was holding healthy and handsome boy of only 12 or 13 years. Shivaji Maharaj was bewildered to see his commander. Tanaji, who is this boy? Why have you brought him? Shivaji asked. Your Majesty, Tanaji bowed before Shivaji Maharaj and said, He is a wicked boy. He entered into the fort to kill you. But why? Shivaji Maharaj was stunned. What wrong have I done to him? It's better if you ask him directly, Tanaji said. Had I not come in the nick of time, something serious would have happened. Shivaji Maharaj looked at the boy and asked angrily, Oh boy, who are you? What's your name? My name is Maloji. The boy stood straight and replied boldly. Why did you come to my palace? Shivaji Maharaj asked again. I wanted to kill you. The boy was as bold as before. What? Were you not afraid of my guards? Didn't you even think that if caught, you would be put to death? No, never. Are you not afraid of death? Shivaji Maharaj was bewildered. Not at all. But why did you want to kill me? Shivaji Maharaj was curious now. The boy said, My father was a soldier in your army. He was killed in a battle. After his death, we have been passing through great hardships. I was badly in need of money for the treatment of my ailing mother. One day, Subhan Rai, your great enemy, told me that if I kill you, he would give me a lot of money. He further said, I was taken by Subhan Rai's word. I came here and waited for an opportunity to enter into your palace so that I can kill you. But before I could do my job, your commander caught me. Shivaji Maharaj listened to the boy attentively. He was much impressed with the courage, boldness and truthfulness of that boy. He began to think seriously. Just then, Tanaji Malsure urged, Your Majesty, this boy has tried to commit a serious crime, so he could be put to death. Why not? You can definitely put me to death. I am not afraid of it. I am the worthy son of a brave soldier. But before death, I have a request, Maloji said. Of course, you can say your last wish and we could try to fulfill it. Shivaji Maharaj said, I would like to see my ailing mother for once before I die. Let me go home for once to see my mother. I promise to return by early tomorrow morning, the boy said. But if at all you abscond and don't return, Shivaji Maharaj asked, Your Majesty, you can have faith upon me. I am the brave son of a brave father. Even then, if you don't believe me, then you can send your soldiers with me. Maloji replied with a smile. Although Tanaji was interested to send some soldiers with the boy, but Shivaji Maharaj allowed him to go alone. Once the boy had gone, Tanaji said to Shivaji, I beg your pardon, Your Majesty, I don't think that tomorrow he would return at all to face death. We have not asked him of his address even, and if he doesn't turn up, then where should we search him? Shivaji Maharaj smiled. Tanaji, I know he will come. Didn't you notice the boldness, firmness, truthfulness and self-confidence of the boy? He is brave and courageous. He would definitely return in the morning. The next day, Shivaji Maharaj came to the royal court as usual, but there was no trace of Maloji. Perhaps Tanaji was right, though Shivaji Maharaj. Just then a soldier came in, bowing before Shivaji Maharaj. He said, Your Majesty, there's a boy named Maloji standing outside the gate and he wants to meet you. Shivaji Maharaj ordered the boy to be brought in. When the boy was brought before Shivaji Maharaj, he bowed down and said, Your Majesty, I am here as per my promise. Now you can put me to death. Shivaji Maharaj called him near and said, You are worthy for honor and not for death. You are really brave. Would you like to join my army? There were tears in the eyes of the boy. He fell down on the feet of Shivaji Maharaj and said, Your Majesty, it would be the greatest honor of my life. Shivaji Maharaj embraced the boy and also arranged a lot of money for his family.